Testing a Spirit of Saturn, starting with demo mode. It's in reverse, so I can handle it. Does not have a light though. Come on. Here we go. Bearings are a little noisy on it. It probably does use the Samsung motor, I don't know. The ventless one is the Emerson. I'll open up and see. W32 works. Alright, now let's do speed settings. Let's reverse it. My mom's playing piano. She's trying to get learning it again. It's a little bigger than the Panama, but does use a Panama 5 switch housing. Let's try fan minder. Light, fan, light. Oh, come on. What the heck? Let's try fan minder. 1, 2, 3. Light, light, fan, fan. I didn't do it properly. Let's try again. Light, light, fan, fan. Here we go. That is it. That's testing the Spirit of Saturn. I'm going to wire it up onto my test rig. Thanks for watching.